I'm going to take you through a balance exercise on your back on the foam roller. And all you got to do is tap your toe. Let's see how we do. Hands are going to go behind the head. You're going to tighten your core really tight. Extend one leg directly up 90 degrees. And then all we're going to do is drop it and lift it. Takes a lot of core strength to bring that foot back up above you. Now, if you can't make it all the way down, that's okay. Just go as far as you can and bring it right back up. Notice though that my butt is not on the floor. I am lifted, so my hamstrings are working, my butt's working, my core is working, and I'm tightening up my abdominals. I'm going to switch legs right here. Same positioning, straight up 90 degrees, reach and pull. These look really easy, but I'd like for you to try them and write me. All the way up, tight core, tap and squeeze. You're working those adductors, those inner thighs, hamstrings, everything shaking right now. Give me one more to finish it off. I hope you enjoyed that challenge. Let me know how you liked it. Until next time.